Welcome to our social online classes. I hope you are all understood what we are discussed in the last sessions. Okay, now we discussed about the 7th class first lesson, the new textbook semester 1. Yes, up to this class we discussed about different areas in the first lesson. Just we recall, after that we will go to discuss about the present topic. Okay, in the last classes we discussed about the origin of the universe, and what are the different theories like the Big Bang theory. Nearly 13.7 billion years ago the universe was originated, and later the origin of the solar system and the geocentric theory, heliocentric theory, right, that type of theories. And another one, different components in the solar system, that is, those are the different areas like the planets, stars, asteroids, satellites, comets, like different celestial bodies. Those are all we discussed in the previous classes. Yes, now we are going to discuss about the next part of the lesson, the earth. Up to this, the matter related to the universe. Yes, present the continuation syllabus is totally related to the earth and their surroundings. Yes, earth, you know everyone, earth is one of the planet. Around 8 planets in the solar system. In the 8 planets, earth is one of the planet. It has a special features. Yes or no? The earth, the word derived from the earth is the Greek word. It means soil or ground. Soil or the ground. In the Sanskrit, we call by different names. That is Prithvi, Avani, Dharani. Like different names we are calling in our language. That is Sanskrit, right? The earth is one of the planet in the solar system out of 8 planets. The place of the earth, third planet from the distance from the sun. Completely the earth is the unique planet in the other planets in the solar system. You know everyone, because of the earth, the life is possible only the earth only. The life is possible the earth only because of the air. Like the oxygen is available on the earth, it is the breathing air. Another one, the temperature. The right temperature is available on the earth surface comparatively the remaining planets. That's why the earth is the unique planet. One and only the planet life is possible here. Right? That's why the earth is a unique planet. And the earth also called by different names. That is the blue planet. Earth is called as the blue planet. Why? What is the reason is there? Because of the earth looking, if you have to take the photograph from the universe, from the space, the earth looking like a blue area. Why? Because the maximum area covered by the water. That's why it is looking very blue in color. It is called as the blue planet also. Living planet. Why? Because the life, that means the living and the non-living things are existed on the earth only. That's why it is called as the living planet. Right? Like so many different names having the earth. Right? The earth is consist of, we are all living on the earth. Yes or no? The earth, we are all living on the earth. The earth is consist of different their surroundings. Yes, earth is consist of the human beings. Earth is consist of the plants, different organisms, microorganisms, plants, like different things are existed on the earth surface. Yes or no? Existed on the earth surface. Right? These are all called as the environment on the earth. Environment on the earth. Right? In this topic, environment, it is one of the area in this lesson. Earth, after that environment. Environment means a natural system. A natural system. A natural system is called as the environment. It is consist of different living things and non-living things and the microorganisms. Environment is consist of different living things, non-living things, plants, animals, microorganisms and everything. And we see every day our surroundings, right? These are all in the part of environment. Our surroundings, whatever it may be, those are the houses or the buildings or the different type of factories or the rivers, different type of agricultural areas, whatever it may be, those are all called as the environment. Yes or no? These are all in the part of environment. That's why the environment, it is the word derived from the French language environner, ENVIRONER or ENVIRONNER, environner. It is the French word. The meaning of the environner is surroundings or neighborhood. Environment means neighborhood. The means of environment is environner is neighborhood. That means our surroundings. We are existing ourselves with our surroundings. Yes or no? This environment is consist of different things. That means the environment is formed by nature and the human beings also. That's why those are called as the components of the environment. The natural components, the man-made environment and human environment. The environment having three components. Those are called as the components of the environment. That is what? Natural. Second one is man-made. Third one is human. What is natural environment? That means the things formed by nature. The things formed by the nature. Take example of in the natural environment. The natural environment is consist of non-living things and the living things. That's called as the abiotic things or biotic things. Abiotic things and biotic things. The non-living things in the natural environment, land is by the nature, air is in the part of nature, water is in the part of nature. Yes or no? Our life is completely tied with these areas. Yes or no? These are called as the abiotic or the non-living things. Abiotic or non-living things. What are they? Land, air and water. And living things, animals, plants, birds, insects, like those are the different microorganisms are in the part of biotic environment. Biotic. These two are in the part of natural environment. These two are formed by the nature. By their own. We are not creating the land. We are not creating the water. We are not created the air. Those are all in our surroundings. This is called as the natural environment. What is called as the natural environment? Non-living things and living things. Abiotic things and biotic things. Abiotic things means the land, air, water. And the biotic things, animals, plants, birds and insects and like microorganisms. Second one, man-made environment. Man-made environment. What is man-made environment? Which is created by the human being. Which is constructed by the human beings. Which is formed by the human beings. Those are called to construction of bridges, construction of buildings, parks, monuments, like different bridges, like different areas which is constructed by, which is formed by the human beings. Yes or no? These are all by the man-made. Not directly, not naturally formed on the earth. Bridges are not formed on the earth. Buildings are not formed by the nature. Like the land, air, water. Like the animals or the plants are like that. So these are called as the man-made environment. Third one, humans. The humans maintaining their life, continue their life on to creating some culture. Like that our religion. Religion is in the part of human environment. Yes or no? Education is in the part of human environment. Like communities is in the part of human environment. Yes or no? Economy is in the part of human environment. Individual life is in the form of humans. These are all in the form of human environment. Family, individual life, our religion, our communities, our economical systems, those are all in the part of human environment. What is that? Human environment. Are you understood? The means of environment is are all existed on the earth. That's why we are survival our life. We are continue the life. In this part, environment is very important area to continue the life. Yes or no? In the nearly 1 lakh year ago, the human beings were arrived on the earth nearly 1 lakh year ago. After that, how can they existed on the land? With the help of this environment. With the help of this environment, something we are created, something formed by the nature. That's why this environment is divided into 3 areas. Which is directly formed by the nature is called as the natural environment. Which is formed by the human beings is called as the man-made and the human environment. These 3 are very important area. Say yes or no? In the next one, we are going to discuss about the natural environment. What is natural environment? And one by one discussed in this lesson. Okay. In the natural environment means living and non-living things. The non-living things like that land, air or water. Yes, these are all our surrounding are now. Without land we are not continue the life. Without water, without air we are not continue the life on the earth. Yes or no? These are called as the different spheres on the earth. Different spheres on the earth. Like the land part is called as the lithosphere. You know everyone, you learned in 6th class. Yes or no? In 6th class. These are in the part of the earth. It is one of the spheres, the layers on the earth. Which is the part is totally covered by the rock area is called as the lithosphere. Yes or no? Second one, air. Which is the part is consists of air is called as the atmosphere. Third one is the water. Which is the area is covered by the water is called as the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere. Yes or no? Are you remember it? Yes. These are the abiotic or non-living natural environment. Non-living environmental areas. Okay. In the next class, we will go to discuss about one by one in the natural environment. Okay. Thank you. Thank you to all.